Opposite is Fengshan Neighbourhood Centre, Market and Food Centre. FairPrice are nearby. Bus stop, community plaza, children playground are below the flat. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at 116 Bedok North Road. We are seeing a 3NG model with utility room with a size of 73 square meter. Come, let's take a look at the unit. In the entire Bedok estate, there are only 8 blocks of 3NG model with utility room, while the rest of the blocks with a utility room are mainly 3i model. The flat is north facing and enjoy an unblocked view of greenery with a pleasant natural breeze. Upon entry, the house is renovated with floor tiles throughout the hall and bedrooms. Bedrooms are fitted with cove light and false ceiling. Master room comes with an attached bathroom. Kitchen renovated with floor and wall tiles with built-in carpentry cabinets leading to utility room at the rear. This flat lease began in 1978 with about 50 years remaining. This 73 square meter flat offers a comfortable space for singles or small families and a lifestyle to enjoy everyday living in Fengshan of Bedok Estate. Lastly, if you are worried that the remaining lease not eligible for younger buyer aged to 95, don't worry, you are still eligible to purchase. Only the CPF usage or loan will be pro rata and this can be calculated. Please let me know and I can help you with that calculation. So feel free to give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.